I'm Jacob Lucky with the KICKER Tech Force, and today we're going to be talking about the PTRTP Powered Down-Fire Subwoofer Enclosure. Stick around and I'll tell you all about it. The PTRTP is a powered down-firing subwoofer enclosure. It's available in both 10-inch and 12-inch sizes. The 10-inch enclosure is powered by a 400-watt RMS amplifier, and the 12-inch version is powered by a 500-watt RMS amplifier. It's inside of a sturdy, well-constructed box that can withstand any sort of stacking pressure from animals, golf clubs, duffel bags, so you can pile your stuff on the back of this with no issues. The subwoofer and passive radiator underneath are also protected from any sort of kicking or poking damage due to the design of the subwoofer enclosure. And now let's talk about the amplifier that's built into the side of the enclosure. The amplifier is equipped with a quick disconnect power and ground connector so that you can remove the subwoofer enclosure if you have to get that last ounce of storage space back. The remote bass knob is included with the subwoofer enclosure, so you can connect it and crank that bass up for your favorite song or turn it back down for a subdued listening experience. The amplifier can also accept up to a 40-volt input signal, which means it integrates with any vehicle on the road today. For more information, contact your local authorized KICKER dealer or give our tech support a call at 405-533-7233.